support the 3 Supermen. Why Superman? These 3 guys are in different country. One is in Thailand, the other one is here in Singapore, the other one is in Tokyo. That's why 3 Superman. They have good blog, they have a good channel, they are bubbly also, and they deliver their video extraordinary. So that's why I really like, I subscribe them, I support always them. So these 3 Superman are all new here on YouTube. So please subscribe them, follow their blog, Everyday Life. The first I'm going to shout out is from Thailand. He's an expat there. He lived in one of the villages in Thailand. He like the way he making the video is like, I feel like a short film, or it's like a documentary for that village. So I hope everybody can watch him and follow him and subscribe him also. So his name is Calling in Thailand. He's really a nice person, good blogger here on YouTube. So hoping you subscribe them and enjoy watching his blog. And the second one is, he's also newly on YouTube, and I know this guy for about, I think, week. I saw him in one of the shout out from Sunny in Thailand. Sunny is a blogger also. Hope you support, and mostly they know he's in Thailand. He's blogging his everyday life in Thailand with his wife. So I saw Sunny giving him a shout out on his video, so I subscribe him. It's because he's a Singaporean. I'm here in Singapore. I feel like I was, ooh, I have like, there is a blogger here in Singapore, because it's really seldom. No, I never heard anyone blogging from Singapore. So that's why I was really shocked and I was surprised. There's a Singaporean. It's like that. There's a Singaporean blogger. So I really want to help him to get a subscriber and to support him. So hoping you check him. His name is Lionel Sui. That's right. Yes, Lionel Sui. He's a good one also. Although he's a new on YouTube, but I think the way he making his video is really awesome. It's really cool. It's really nice. So please check him out and please follow him and subscribe him also. The way you subscribe me, please subscribe all my friends. It's really, I know if everybody I can help, I will help. I try my best to shout out. I'm going to give all of you a major shout out when I reach 1,500. Cross the finger, hoping I reach it. It's actually my 11th month on YouTube, so I'm not expecting I can get to 1,000 subscribers within that short period of month. So it's really, I was so thankful for all of you who subscribe me in watching my video always. Even I know it's not perfect. It's really, I am not really a blogger. I'm newly to make a video, so it's not really perfect. So hope you still enjoy whatever it is. So I always tell myself to everybody that it's for fun. So hope you subscribe also for all of them. And the other one, the last but not the least, of course, I'm going to give a shout out. Another blogger also. He's really a good person. He's really new also in YouTube also. I saw him also. He become a guest of one of the blog of Sunny in Thailand last month in Tokyo. So when I saw him, he messaged me and he subscribed my channel. So I was really shocked that, oh, I said, I know you. I saw you from Sunny Vlogs. So I was, shocked that he making video already. It's really not unexpectable for me to, just maybe he decide to make a job just also to make sometimes as a souvenir for you being in another country as a foreigner, and you want to make a vlog to show everybody, not to everybody, but for yourself, when maybe in the future when you want to see what was happening before to my life, then you wanted to see. And it's easy, you just click your YouTube and you can see everything what you pass by in that day, in that month, in that year. So hope you subscribe and follow him. His name is Tokyo Draw. So his latest video with his son, they are eating sushi. So it's really a wonderful video. It's really cool having bonding with your son, with your loved ones in video, right? So hope you enjoy watching them. Hope you subscribe and like him. Also, as I said, everyone who subscribed me, I'm going to support all of you, especially the new starting video on YouTube. As long as I can, I try my best. I have a YouTuber Hangout on FB, on Facebook. If anyone who wanted to join, it's free. You can promote your channel there. But it doesn't mean you need to subscribe or you need to sub to other video or channel. You cannot. We don't encourage like that. It's up to you if you want to subscribe to another channel, to another blogger, and it's up to them if they want to sub back to you. So hope you enjoy that kind of rules there. As long as you can promote everybody, you can promote your video, and easy for them to know you also as a blogger. So hope everyone will follow them, the 3 Superman. So the first one is Colin in Thailand, second and Lionel Sue here in Singapore, second is Tokyo Draw in Tokyo in Japan. So please watch them, follow them also. You will enjoy their vlog as I enjoy also. Really, thank you so much for everyone. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for watching my channel. Thank you for following my video, my cooking. I hope everybody will enjoy it. I hope everybody will like it. I cannot please everyone. Some people say I don't have a troll. Some people say I don't have a thumbs down. I still have a thumbs down. I think even Gordon Ramsay and Jamie Oliver, they have also a lot of thumbs down. We cannot stop that. People, sometimes you cannot, they don't appreciate, they cannot understand what we giving the time to make the video and our effort to make it nicer, to make it entertaining. Some people, they cannot understand that they have their own character, they have their own attitude. So let it be. Let's anyway, thank you so much again, and let's start my cooking video again. I'm going to make lechon, sorry. But I make it as twist. So hope you enjoy watching. Let's get bye. So hello everyone, I'm back again. I'm going to show you how to make paksiw, or this is a common dish in the Philippines. You can have it any day, anytime, everywhere in the Philippines. But commonly they cook it in a fish or a milk fish. It's in a Philippine language we call it bangos. Milkfish is a white bone. It's also our national fish in the Philippines. You can search it in Google also. But I'm going to make a little bit twist, but the same taste the same ingredients. I'm going to use salmon for this time. It's just because I cannot eat milk fish. I can only eat salmon fish. Sorry about that. I'm not a choosy person, but you know, when it comes to health, we have to be very careful, especially in my case, because I have a blood allergy for all the meats, any meat, so like red meat, chicken meat, and fish, so seafood especially, so I cannot eat. So I'm going to make a little bit twist for this. So I make a paksiw na salmon. It's the called term paksiw na salmon or paksiw na isda in the Philippines. So hope you enjoy watching, and I love this dish. Really love this. I really like to eat this, especially the bangus, the milkfish. I really like it, especially the part of the head. That's I really love it to eat. I don't like the middle of the fish, especially when you cut it into pieces. I really don't like the middle part. I always like the head. I don't like the tail also. So I'm a little bit choosy when it comes to fish when I eat. So anyway, let's get started. I'm sure this is really simple. Another easy home cooking again from me, and hope you enjoyed watching. And hello to everyone, to all the Filipino subscribers. Hello there. Hope you enjoy watching. And I know to all the Filipino who work in abroad, same as me, I know this is one of the best, and the best that you are miss eating in your country, especially when we out in our country. This really miss eating Filipino dish. So hope you enjoy watching. So sit back and relax, and let's enjoy. So I have here my smash of garlic. So you don't need to take out the skin. This is how we do it in the Philippines. So you just put inside your pan or pot. Mostly they use pot, and your onion. So you can use more onion, more garlic is more nicer, and of course my ginger. Just put the ginger here, and I have my salmon. Of course, I use the bone part of the salmon, sorry, and of course the head. So that's the head of the salmon. So it's clean already. So I just put it here. Everything, put it nicely. Okay. And of course, I'm going to use the Japanese chili. I use red and green, and my corn pepper. This is a corn pepper. I have some here because I don't really use it. I use only sometimes. So I just put everything here. I want more, so more spicy. You can see. Hope you everybody can see. And of course, my vinegar. I'm using this kind of vinegar only. Mostly we have the brand in the Philippines. It's Dato Puti. That's also our common vinegar in the Philippines. So because I'm not in the Philippines, so I'm using the artificial vinegar. It's also white, colorless also. Same taste, more stronger this one. So you have to, when you use this one, you have to be careful to use. You don't use too much, because if it's too much, it's become too sour and it's really not nice also. So I just put about 5 tablespoons of vinegar for this. This is really sour, so I have to be careful also. I really don't like sour. And I just put a half bowl of water for this. So I use half bowl of water just because I don't like too sour also. So here, and then I'm going to cook this. We cover, and we cook this for 15 to 30 minutes. Depends your how thin or the thickness of your fish. So let's see it again later. So now it's boiling and it's going to be near to cook, so I'm just going to open. Hope everybody can see. So that's it. But this time I'm going to use seasoning, but this seasoning is already complete with the salt, with pepper, everything. This is the Knorr seasoning powder, so I don't use already the salt, that's why I'm using this. Mostly in the Philippines they use the seasoning, but it's they call it bechin, or the I don't know what it is, but it's the Ajinomoto. I forgot it is because too long I really never use it. So I'm going to use the seasoning now. So I just put it, and I'm going to cover again. Just going to shake it. This is one of, I like this one because you can shake it anything you can cook it. So this I really wanted to be really nice, so I'm just going to subside the sauce. I'm just going to make it a little bit dry, and I'm going to put olive oil later. That's the secret of a nice paksiw. So this is gonna be a gorgeous taste. So see you again. Now it's done, so I'm going to, if you can see, there is no sauce already. It's a little bit dry now, so I'm going to put olive oil for this, about 2 tablespoons of olive oil. So let's watch it. Oops. So here I'm going to put my olive oil, about 2 tablespoons. Just and this is done. I just cover it for about 3 minutes and done. So now it's cooked, and this is my paksiw. Wait, I hope you can see it. That's how it looks like. So I'm going to put it inside my plate, and let's try. You can enjoy watching you. So here it is. I hope you enjoy watching my paksiw na salmon. So this I'm going to try. It's nice with the rice. Yeah, it's really yummy. This is perfect, really. The salmon is so fresh, so a little bit sweet, and really natural taste, really yummy, so delicious. So we hope you enjoy watching. And to all foreigner who's my to all foreigner that might subscribe me, please try this, and it's really yummy. It's really another healthy dish from, and one of the best in the Philippines also. But of course they don't use salmon, but it's same also, same taste, nothing changed really. It's really nice. So till next time again, and hope you enjoy watching again, and hope I can give you another idea to how cook a simple and healthy way. So see you next time again. Bye bye everyone.